Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning into Charlani TV. I am going to take you through an evening here with us. I'm going to walk you through how I make my beef broccoli. Rob and I already got our workout done for the evening. I have already showered. I blow dried my hair. I even painted my toenails. So I have had an awesome day today. It was one of those days where I just kept knocking things off my to-do list, and that always feels really, really good. I got my car inspected, got my registration done, had to pick up a prescription at Kroger, which I did, went to the post office today, ran a few errands, and just knocked out a bunch of things. So tonight, I have decided to make beef broccoli for dinner. I've already got everything laid out, so we are starving right now. It's been about an hour and a half since we worked out, so we're ready for some sustenance. So let's go ahead and hop into the kitchen and let's start cooking. Grocery delivery is something I'll probably still do, even though some of the restrictions are being lifted, especially here in Texas. This is just so convenient for me, and I don't mind giving the driver a tip. It's giving somebody a job, and it's such a time saver. I am loving Amazon Fresh. So convenient. So we've got lots of juicing things in here. That's gonna be so good. And then we've also got Rob's Pringles. Everybody is happy. I like to start cooking dinner with a clean kitchen. I like when all of my countertops are clean. I just think that it really helps at the end after dinner when you're doing your kitchen cleanup. It just makes it that much easier. I will post this recipe down in the description box for you. It is super, super easy to make. It is healthy for you, and it is so super yummy. Before I even turn the stove on, I actually like to get everything prepped up. I like to measure everything out, cut up all of our veggies so that when the heat is going and things are actually on the stove cooking, nothing is gonna burn. And I think it just makes it a lot less stressful when you're not trying to measure and cook at the same time. So you can see that the gelatin that has been sitting on the bone broth has gotten gelatinous, and that's exactly what we want. I did double up on the entire recipe because we had a little bit of extra meat and we like sauce, so I added a little bit of extra of the tamari soy sauce, and it ended up being perfect. Once it's been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes, once the onions get a little bit translucent, that's when you go in and add in all of that liquid broth. And it smells so, so, so good. As you bring it to a boil, the sauce is going to start to thicken, and this is where you can tweak it up. If you want less, just add less tamari soy sauce. If you want more, add more. You can add your more ginger, more garlic, however you want to make it. That's what's so beautiful about cooking. You can tweak up recipes however you want. Next time I make this, I will add the broccoli in a little bit later, maybe a couple minutes after I add in the bell peppers and the onions, because I like my broccoli to have a little bit more of a crunch to them when I eat them. But again, it's preference and it's what you feel like on that day, so you can tweak things up and absolutely make it your own. This dinner turned out so well. We enjoyed every single bite of it for sure, and we ended up with leftovers, so winning all the way around. So kitchen is cleaned, and now it's time for a little bit of sweetness. Cocoa Whip with strawberries is absolutely one of my favorite desserts. It is sweet and it is healthy and it is so, so good. So if you try this Cocoa Whip, let me know what you think. Come back and tell me, because you're welcome. All right, dinner was super yummy, and the kitchen is now nice and clean.
Finally!
So we are going to go in and watch, what are we watching?
La Boche.
We're gonna watch The Voice and call it a night. Thank you so much for spending the evening with us. And thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. Bye, guys.